Hello and welcome back, friends. In another episode of Learn Agro. Today's I'm gonna show you how I'll be growing a mushroom inside my house with the help of this kit that I brought from the supermarket. It's nice, easy. The clear instructions are in the box. I'm gonna show you how I'll be doing right now. So this kit has been brought over more than 7-8 months, and it was just lying in my basement because I could not get time to grow it. So however, I'll give a try now since it is winter outside, but still I'm gonna give a try. So let's see how it goes. Since it is wrapped with the plastic, I'm just going to cut as per the instruction and open the plastic so that we'll be able to soak this whole kit in the water. So scratching a little bit so that I can soak the thing in the water. Since the mushroom spores has been applied in the coco peat, and now I'll just leave that thing in the water for overnight. You can see how it is getting water. So you can see after soaking overnight, the water has turned into complete red thing. And checking the coco peat, the spores mixed with the coco peat kit, it is also completely soaked in the water. Now we're going to get rid of the water and opening the box. Since this box gonna be used to grow the mushrooms, you can see how I'm sliding that thing inside and locking back up the mushroom kit, and just keeping the kit just like that inside my indoor garden. You can see a lot of plants out there. And checking another day, nothing much has been seen, just watering up and keeping up like that. On the fourth day, checking the kit, you can see a little bit of mold has grown around the corner of the mushroom kit. You can see some of the egg sort of thing, around mushroom heads. A little bit can be seen at the corner, just like this. Just keep watering, keeping it moist. And on the fifth day, let's see what's the update down there. You can see the more number of mushroom clusters can be seen down there. They are growing a little bit bigger and bigger. Since they are small, so they will take more time to grow bigger. However, once they turn big, they will grow faster. So on the sixth day, it's very nicely visible head and the mushroom stalk can be seen, and a few clusters of the mushroom growing so nicely. Keep watering them and just keep like that. So on the seventh day, they are even growing more taller and they are popping out of the box. So you don't have to do anything, just keep watering them. And since it is so cold outside, freezing cold outside, however inside my house the temperature is around 71-72 degrees, which is better for this mushroom kit. So keeping like that. On 8th day, you can see that the mushroom has grown even longer and taller. At the top, they are growing wider and wider. It's really beautiful. I honestly like it so much. You can harvest at this time so that you can give space for the other one. However, I just want to keep it like that. So water it again, keep it moist and let it grow. On the 9th day, it has grown so wide. So it could be the perfect time to harvest. Since I'm not harvesting it, I'm just letting like that. Some of the stalks down there are turning yellowish. So that is not really good for this mushroom. However, I'm not quite interested to harvest this mushroom at the time, so I'm just going to let it be like that. So let me show you what is the temperature outside of my window. You can check it's snowing outside, but inside, since the temperature is well maintained, the mushroom as well as all of the other plants are really doing well inside the room. Checking after 12 days, what happened is that I didn't get back to these mushrooms for 2-3 days. They really dried out. The top portion of mushroom has been splitted, so it is not really good. However, I got time to harvest this mushroom, so I will do it right now. And you can see that it honestly doesn't look wow, but it's okay though. So I'll just take off all the mushrooms, and you can see the coco peat from where the mushroom was growing has completely dried out, which is really not good for the young ones as well as the big plant. Because of getting too dry, the mushroom has become like that. So far, not bad. The harvest is okay. This is all about my mushroom project. If you have any queries, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you like the video, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you, and see you in next video.